Animals use some of the food they eat and store some of it to use later. Look at the picture and think about what happens when one animal eats another animal. Where do you think the matter and energy from the monkey are now? Tap the best answer. When a jaguar eats a monkey, the matter and energy that were stored in the monkey move to the jaguar. Organisms called decomposers break down the remains of dead plants and animals. Decomposers include fungi and bacteria. Look at the picture and think energy in dead organisms. Tap the best answer. Decomposers use dead plants and animals as food. The matter and energy that were stored in the dead plants and animals move to the decomposers. As living things make and use food, matter and energy move from one living thing to another. Drag the words into the correct boxes to show one way matter and energy move. Then tap Done.
First, and he's fine to the jaguar.
Matter and energy also move between living things and the environment. As organisms make and use food, they release waste. For example, plants release oxygen gas into the air during photosynthesis. Plants, animals, and decomposers take in some of this oxygen gas. They use it inside their cells to get energy from food in a process called respiration. During respiration, organisms release carbon dioxide into the air as waste. Which organism uses carbon dioxide from the air? Tap the best answer. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and change it into food. Some of this carbon dioxide was released by organisms during respiration. Matter moves between organisms and the air during photosynthesis and respiration. The blue arrows in this diagram show one way oxygen gas moves. The orange arrows show one way carbon dioxide moves. Drag the words onto the correct lines. Then tap Done. Oxygen gas and carbon dioxide are types of matter that move in cycles as organisms make and use food and produce waste. Matter and energy move from one living thing to another and between living things and the environment. Play the animation. How do matter and energy move in this animation? Tap the correct answers. How do matter and energy move in this animation? Tap the correct answers. Plants get energy from the sun and matter from air and water. When a person eats plants, matter and energy move directly from the plant